It's time for practice. Please open your practice books to page 282. Today, we're going to talk about comparing and contrasting. Now, if you remember, we had a writing genre before wherein we compared two things to each other. Now, when authors compare, they show how two things are alike. When authors contrast, they tell how the things are different. So, when you compare, you say the things that are the same. So, if, for example, if I want to compare cats and dogs, I would say they are both pets. They both have 4 legs. I would just mention the things that are the same. However, if I want to contrast between dogs and cats, then I will say maybe dogs bark, but cats meow, which is a different thing. So that's a contrast. Okay, authors use signal words such as both, alike, same, or different to compare and contrast. These words, when I see them before the writing or when I see them within the sentence, I would be able to tell whether the author is comparing or contrasting. So when he says both of them have tails, that means he is comparing, and so on and so forth. Now, on page 282 in your books, you're supposed to compare and contrast between monarch butterflies and western pygmy blue butterflies. If you remember this diagram, this is a Venn diagram. We use a Venn diagram when we compare and contrast. I put on one side, there are 2 circles that are almost going in each other. I put on one side, I put one thing that I want to contrast, and on the other one, I put another thing. In the middle, where the circles meet, I put the same, or the things that are alike. So in this case, I have on this side the monarch butterflies. They are colorful and big. However, the western pygmy blue butterflies blend in with their surroundings and they're very small. But both of them taste leaves with their feet. Now, I want you to write down. However, you might see more examples in the text. If you go back to the expository text, you might find more things that are different and more things that are alike. And you can write them down and send them to your teachers. Thank you.